Hi students, welcome to the group search lesson and activity. So this is the first of many. This is a lesson in finding information revolving around one of our students, Bertita. Every lesson is going to revolve around a different student's project. We're going to focus on Bertita's project. We're going to have a lesson, and then we're going to have an activity where everyone helps Bertita find information for her project, which is on life coaching, helping her develop her life coaching career, and developing a video presence. So that's what this lesson is going to be all about. So let's just jump right in. Now I decided this would be a good time for us to learn about Google Directory, because it's really good for just general resources. It's not very well known. I'm going to type into Google Directory. Here we go, and the first thing that comes up is Google Directory. Google Directory is a little known but valuable information resource. Within Google Directory is millions of websites, very well organized, maintained by thousands of editors, and there are a few features that make it extremely helpful. So there's three parts here to this lesson about Google Directory. The first part is find your topic in Google Directory. It's actually a little more complicated than you would imagine. Because here's the problem: there's millions of websites, and so we want to find some information on life coaching. Well, where is it going to be? Is it in science, society? Is it in health? Is it in reference? Here's what you're going to do. You're going to do a simple Google search and include the words Google Directory. Now, we could stay at Google Directory, but I'm actually going to have us go back to Google just so that it's clear. We're going to do a Google search. Life coaching. Add the words Google Directory. And I misspelled it there. That's okay. And then what happens is you have all of these returns. All of these are pages within Google Directory that include something about life coaching. And we're just going to click on one, and now we have landed within Google Directory. Now this might seem a bit strange. Where are we? This tells you right here, underneath Google Directory, this tells you where we are. So now that we're in Google Directory, we have to navigate around a bit to get a sense of where we are and how this information is useful to us. This tells you where we are. We're in the health section. And then the alternative section of the health section, the coaching section. Of course, that's what's really important. So just so you understand, Google Directory has a health section and an alternative section in the health section and a coaching section in the alternative section. You see that? Let's just go back to where we were there. So this tells you where exactly we are. It's almost like this is World, United States, California, Palo Alto, Meadow Circle. That's sort of what this means. It tells you exactly. So this is, of course, this is where we are. This is kind of the city we're looking for, city of coaching within Google Directory. So now here we have all the resources that that all these editors have compiled for us, and here we just have kind of like coaches in Africa, coaches in Europe, coaches in the Middle East. That can be helpful, but here's what's really helpful: professional resources, spiritual-based resources. Related categories is a good thing to take a look at. Now, obviously, professional resources and spiritual-based are what's, let's just go to professional resources. And I want to explain one last thing in this part one. The green bar is really helpful. The green bar. Pay attention to the green bars. Very helpful, because the green bars tell you how prestigious a website is in Google's eyes. The green bar is 3/4 of the way filled. What that means is this is Google's algorithm. What it means is there are thousands and thousands of websites, many of them prestigious, that link to the International Coach Federation. And you can tell as we go down, it's ordered based on the green bar. Now the green bar is not nearly as full here. So just to give you a rough understanding, this is, according to Google's algorithm, the most prestigious website under professional resources for coaching. That's okay. So I'll continue with part two from here.